I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay, I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another vlog. Okay, so today it's a challenge. Yes, I'm going to be doing a new challenge, and hold on, I'm trying to. So I'm going to be doing a new challenge, and this challenge is cucumber challenge. Okay, I came across it on YouTube and I decided to check it out, and I have a particular meal I will be eating throughout this whole cucumber challenge. Like mostly cucumber. Cucumber has like 50 calories, so it's not much. So you can eat as much cucumber as well. And again, cucumber has more of water, like hydration. Yeah. So I came across it on YouTube and I decided to check this particular video out. So in case have you tried this cucumber challenge, let me know in the comment section. I might be doing this maybe for 3 days or 7 days, depending. I want to lose more inches. As you guys saw from the beginning of the video, that is my current weight as of May 7th. Yes, 7th of May. So that is my current weight. Yeah, I've been on this particular weight since I lost the other kg of 69.50 in my previous video. So that was 30th of April. So I feel I added, then have been on this particular one because I've been checking my weight since 30th of April, and I has still been on this this time. Oh god, 69.95. Yeah, so I think I added like 0.45 more. So but anyway, I am going to try to go down. So this is, I'm going to be checking this out here. I'll put it in the screen. So she said breakfast 2 to 3 eggs, any style. So you can either boil it or cook it depending, but I boiled mine. So I'm going to be taking 2 eggs, not 3 eggs. Then outside you put cucumber. Okay, then she now said lunch, any main protein like chicken, fish or beef. Meatless option, try Greek yogurt or goat cheese with cucumber salad. So if you're going to be eating lunch, try eating chicken or fish or beef with cucumber salad. But if you don't want to eat any protein, you can use either yogurt to eat the cucumber salad. Then for dinner, same protein, then a cucumber salad and a cup of brown rice or basmati rice. So I don't know if I'm gonna be eating rice this night, but anyway. Then for snack, cucumber prepared any way you like, any other fruits and veggie unlimited. So mostly every meal you have to eat has to be cucumber. Okay, so mostly every meal you eat for the whole 7 days, it has to be with cucumber. So I'm gonna be trying this challenge, and I hope, finger crossed, I go down. Okay, so I'll be giving you guys later the details. So on day 3, I'll check my weight on day 3. If I did reduce, I'll extend it to day 7. But if I don't see much weight loss, maybe I might stop it in day 3. But anyway, I'll take you guys along. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, shared it, comment, and let me show you guys my breakfast. I have 2 boiled egg and half cucumber because my cucumber is very big, so I had to cut it half. This one I'm going to eat this one in the afternoon. Yes, so oh my god, sorry about that. Half cucumber and egg, and right here I have my cup of coffee. I'm drinking coffee because my daughter used milk to eat her cereals and she did not finish the milk, so I don't want to throw it away, wasting of food. So I decided to add a teaspoon of coffee in this, and yeah, so this is it. I hope this is not enough calorie for breakfast.
Every stroke of brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a
That's what we're
rush.
going to do.
Feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculpture of burning negro, like branches thick on Daphne, turn living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa.
Breakfast. This is my water. This is water I drink every day. Excuse me. So it's like 200. Hey, did this not come out? Okay, sit. Hold on. Focus. I am focusing. I'm trying for you to focus so that you guys can see. Hey, now wow. It's 2000 ml. So 70 oz, but I don't know. But this is what I drink every day and more. Sometimes I can finish this and still add more water in the night before I go to sleep. So yeah, I've already started drinking it from here, and I added half lemon inside, both with the body, the lemon juice, everything is inside. So this is what I'm drinking now, and I want to go and do my exercise, which will come out in another video. So guys, see you guys in lunchtime. This is my food. I have some vegetables here. This is the egg, the cucumber salad. Okay, this is just cucumber and tomato, black pepper and salt, and I have eggs here. So this is 2 eggs and this is a vegetable. This is my lunch. All right, to clarify is that from the first clip you guys have already seen where I was reading the food, the diet challenge food. Okay, so I'm going to switch it up a bit by changing mine. I won't be eating anything rice or meat. So this is what I'll be having for my lunch, and for my dinner I'll do a snack which I'll show you guys. Then for my dinner I'll do my dinner which I'll show you guys as well. So I'm going to change my own recipe. So please, if you're doing this, do this according to your own preference. If you want to add chicken or add rice, do it on a portion control, okay? Because she said 1 cup of rice. Me, I feel if you use that measuring cup, I feel it's big. So instead of doing 1 cup of rice, even if I want to eat rice, it's gonna be like quarter or whatever. But for this challenge, I won't be eating rice. Finger crossed. Yeah, so for what she said, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys when I'm doing a snacks and doing the dinner as well. I am done with my food. It was amazing. Like the combination, eating all of them, it was really amazing. You need to try it out, even though you're not on any challenge. Just try it out on your own. Anyway, so I'm gonna be seeing you guys during snack time. There is light, but I will just want to relax and enjoy my Korea drama. Yeah, if you know, you know. I've become obsessed with this Korea drama. Don't know why, but anyway. Whew, I'll see you guys when I'm making snacks. I have 1 apple, I have a handful of spinach, I have cucumber inside, then I now have celery inside as well. So this is it. This is what I'll be drinking as snacks. Yep. So you need to add ginger. Ginger helps, okay? This is
I'm not having ginger.
This is the food this I have. I'll be drinking this in small. Eh? Madam wants to drink. Speaking. And she don't say weight loss. No, she's not supposed to do weight loss, John.
Masterpieces take a lifetime. And patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush. Feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered.
Leave the lemon. Hi guys, so my challenge is over. I wanted to do this thing for 7 days, but my ingredient has finished, and I don't get sure to go and get another one. But anyway, I got results. All right, so I started this challenge on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days. Okay, of this cucumber challenge. Okay, eating mainly cucumber with other ingredients. Let me just say cucumber. I ate egg and vegetables and watermelon and other fruits. Okay, so initially I was supposed to follow a particular plan by eating rice and chicken, but I skipped that because rice and chicken, I know I might not lose the weight I want to lose, I might still maintain my previous weight. So I did more research and I saw mostly people that did the cucumber challenge in losing weight, they ate mainly cucumber and other veggies. There was no rice or chicken inside. So I decided to follow another plan, which you guys have already seen. So today is Saturday. Until keep that knife. Today is Saturday, and that is the 4th. I wanted to continue, but my ingredient has finished. Yes, and I saw results. Yes, I'm going to show you guys at the end of the clip the result. So what happened was that on day 2, I still weighed the same thing I weighed in day 1. Like Wednesday, Thursday morning, I checked my weight. I was weighing 69.10. Then I did it on Thursday. All right. Thursday, what happened was my sister came around on Thursday night. I did it strictly, but it was the night that I fell out of the wagon by eating chicken. I ate chicken on Thursday night. I ate chicken, like she brought grilled chicken. I was like, let's eat together. I was like, oh my God, I am doing challenge. So I just followed her to eat the chicken, and I drank some wine. Then I thought, okay, since it's just chicken, nothing will happen. On Friday morning, I checked my weight. I was weighing same 69.10 as I weighed previously. I was like, so I still maintained it because of the chicken. I know that I have gone down. Sorry about the background noise. I know I would have gone down, but because I ate chicken that Thursday night, so I still had to maintain the same weight. So on Friday, I decided to stick to the diet I was doing. I did not eat anything carbohydrate, nothing. I was just eating the cucumber and egg. I ate 3 eggs on Friday. Like in the morning, I did my juice. I drank my juice, my detox juice, as I did previously. Then in the afternoon, I ate 3 eggs with vegetables and like my vegetable salad I used to do, my vegetable sauce I used to do with the cucumber. Then in the night, for snacks, I ate watermelon. Then in the night, I ate cucumber salad with yogurt, like Greek yogurt and apple and mango, and that's it. I drank a lot of water. I slept. Like I used to finish down my big bottle of water nowadays, and I slept. And I woke up and I checked my weight. So amazing. Enjoy this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, share with comment. I am loving the feeling of my body right now, and I'm still doing another challenge, and I also did exercise as well. I'm doing this cloretin flat tummy challenge for 30 days. Yeah, so I'm still doing that exercise. So the result will come out in another vlog. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Mom.
So la 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 la. I live art, I breathe art. I myself, I am art. Artists will